hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Give me your fucking hands. The location for today's video is Hilltop, USA in Columbus, Ohio. The time was about 0:30, as officers from the Columbus Division of Police were searching for a suspect with a warrant for weapons under disability. For those of you who don't know, weapons under disability is a charge given to people who are convicted felons that are later caught with a firearm. This is a felony in the state of Ohio. The officers located a residence where they believed the male was sleeping, gave a rap at the door, and actually identified the man through a window. A short time later, a female came to the door, and the officers, after a short conversation, were given permission to enter the residence in search of their suspect. The suspect was located in the back bedroom, attempting to hide under a bed. Once the officers located him, they ordered him to stand up and told him he was under arrest. After a brief moment of not so much thought, the suspect decided to jump upon the bed, and he told the officers, "You're going to have to tase me, bro." That's when the officers said, "Your wish is my command." And the rest, they say, is history.
Well, it might be the one guy that stays here, my nephew.
What's his name?
What, Tutu? That's it, but
Tutu.
as far as the other guy is, I don't even know who it is. You just woke me up.
Hey, what's your name, dear?
Mine is Mary Henry.
Mary Henry?
I don't have no warrants or
Oh,
anything.
hey, well, we're not saying that you do, but here's what's going to happen, okay? Joseph has warrants. And when,
Oh, yeah, I know that.
And we know that he's in here, okay? So hang on, listen to me, okay? Hey, Mary, look, when he gets arrested, okay? And then, hang on, and you're trying to say that he's not, so you know, hang on.
He has a house key too, sir.
Hang on, let me finish, okay? When you're obstructing what we're doing, okay, if he has misdemeanor warrants, that means you get charged with a misdemeanor. When he has felony warrants, you're going to get charged with a felony. Is that the route you want to go?
No, it's not, but I'm
we
just telling you, I haven't talked to Brandon in a couple days.
Okay.
Brandon has a house key.
Okay.
And I've been trying to get that house key from him, and his parole officer will tell you that I have worked with him 100% with Brandon. You know what I mean? 100%. I'm the one that let him in last time to get him.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Well, I can tell you right now, we already seen him through the window.
So you're saying he's here? Well, he's got a house key.
Okay.
So, you know what I mean?
He has warrants for this address, okay? So we're going to come in and get him, okay?
So you're saying I have to let you in my house?
He has warrants to this address.
You just asked for somebody else. You didn't ask for him.
Yeah, to get somebody to come to the door. Would you have came to the door if we said, hey,
Hell yeah, I would have came to the door. Somebody was beating it down. I got up to come to the door.
Okay.
I was asleep. Yeah, I would come to the door.
Okay, so to avoid any charges.
But you didn't ask for Joseph.
Okay,
you didn't ask for Joseph.
What did we say, Trevor?
You said Trevor.
Yeah, to get somebody to come to the door.
How would that get somebody to come to the door?
Because if they know we're looking for Joseph, they're not going to answer the door.
I would have answered the door because you was beating the door
so
down.
if we're here for Joseph, then you'd have no problem letting us come in.
No, I would have let y'all in.
Okay.
I've always let y'all in, but
Okay.
I don't know who Trevor is.
Okay.
Come on.
Where's he at?
Go on downstairs, do what you gotta do.
Joseph!
You can go down.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. My cat is sick, so be careful. He's got to go to the vet in the morning.
Okay, just pick him up.
Where's everyone at in the house, ma'am?
My daughter is asleep in her room. My son's asleep in his room.
Okay. Okay, we're going downstairs to start with. Okay.
You said upstairs, sir?
No, we're going to start down here. Make sure you announce.
Columbus Police, where are you?
Oh, man, I'll tell you what.
What?
You better not be doing this shit on
Okay, come on. We're going to focus on what we're doing.
Doing this shit to me.
Joseph, where are you? Columbus Police. Mind stepping out here, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Joseph, if you're in here, come out now.
Hey!
Hands now! Oh, hang on. There's a bunch of stuff over there.
Let me see your hands now! Let me see your fucking hands! Come on! Both hands!
Get up. Stand up. Turn around, face the wall.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up!
I got him. Go ahead and get your cups out.
Face away from us. Don't look at us. Don't look at us.
There's just too much stuff. We're just gonna have to go get him. I got you.
Do not look at us. Look forward. Look forward. Look forward!
Get down. Get down. You're under arrest right now. You're about to get tased. Get down. Choice is yours. Get down. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Give me your fucking hand. You're so stupid.
Stay down, stay down. Can you get that side? You get that side? You're done.
Here, give me your cups.
Alright, bitch! God damn, motherfucker! Bro, chill out. Fuck you, bitch! It's over. Shut up, bitch. Fight, man. Fuck you. Fucking cocksucking bitch. Bitch, fuck you. Y'all some bitches. Fuck y'all, man. Fucking bitch. You're a bitch. It's alright. Alright, bitch, it don't hurt, bitch. Hey, listen, stop. Stop. Fuck you, bitch! Listen. You got caught. Got arrested. Oh, shut up, bitch.
Why'd you tase him? Was he fighting?
Yeah, he jumped up on the bed and they said, "You're gonna have to tase me. I'm not going to jail."
He came in with my house with the house key.
Okay, well, like I said, you let us in, that's how you don't get charged, okay? But when we see him through the window, and then you say,
He has a house key.
okay,
sir.
and that's fine.
But that's what he's trying to explain. We have a warrant to go in and get him, so that we appreciate you letting us in. It avoids us from kicking the door in. So
This incident right now where you were tased.
Look, so I'll tell you straight up, man. I just want to get in the cruiser and go to the fucking fight. I was acting like a dick, and they fucking get their job and take the fuck out of me. And, you know what I'm saying? That was pretty much it, man. I just want to get in this cruiser and go real my goddamn right, though.